Need to master the submittal process in RMS 3.0 for USACE projects? E-certifies Submittal Proficiency in RMS 3.0. USACE course gives you the tools and knowledge to efficiently handle submittals on government construction projects. This course is designed for government construction projects, including USAC, NAV, FASI, DOTI, DoD, and VA. It's perfect for QC managers and submittal clerks looking to improve their skills in managing the RMS 3.0 submittal register. The course provides practical training, but doesn't replace hands-on experience. What you'll learn: navigate the submittal step in RMS 3.0. Learn to add contract specifications and create new sections. Master adding and managing entries. Optimize your workflow with filtering tools. Manage submittals effectively, maintain accurate records, implement codes correctly, manage return submittals efficiently, understand and handle assignments. Course modules: Module 1, Specification Sections and Pay Activities. Module 2, Transmittals. Module 3, Submittal Assignments, Benefits. Instant certification: download your certificate immediately after passing. Flexible learning: study at your own pace with 24/7 access. Verifiable certificates: certificates are recognized by employers and government agencies. Corporate training options: discounts available for group enrollments. Who should take this course? Perfect for QC managers, submittal clerks, or anyone involved in quality control for USACE projects. Enroll today and gain the confidence to excel in RMS 3.0 submittal management.